Yeah, well, I don't have any serious message, but for 2013 or the new year, but well, you can bring your attention to A, B, and C. A, how we become, how we become, how we take a position, how we take a position, or how we become very tightly stuck or rigidly adamant about A, winning and losing, B, profit and loss, C, likes and dislikes. So we need to invent or discover a method to diffuse this very rigid and strong boundary within us between winning and losing. So when you are pushed into a standoff or a face off or have a conflict or a confrontation, then immediately we need to relate to this set of mind that intensely associates itself to win or to lose. But not all conflicts needs a clear winner and a clear loser. It needs to be diffused in a very mature way where it is a win-win situation, that nobody feels disheartened, demotivated, or depressed, or even demoralized that they've lost something. So a mature person must learn how to re-establish this harmony, even though it has begun on a note of face-off or standoff or conflict. B, again, we have a fixation on profit and loss. Many times we get cornered into a situation where we need to bring profit all the time, and even in relationships we start seeing it as a loss and a profit. So if this mindset, if you remove this boundary and make the line thinner and thinner, perhaps even diffuse it, then relationships can be better, because we will not be looking everything with the stained glass of only profit and loss. A third fixation that we have, C, is about likes and dislikes, where we have strong dislikes about some things, which in turn pushes out or corners us into an addiction, or likes of something else which we severely like. So now this addiction becomes because of aversion to another side of things. So how to bring a little more or eliminate the gap, that big gap between likes and dislikes, so that we are more balanced, more poised, and enriched and more empowered person who's relatively able to attend to these three fixations of our mind, called A, winning and losing, B, profit and loss, and C, likes and dislikes. So this is a learning or a research we can indulge in. Resolve to do it for the year 2013. Have a great new year festival and celebration. My all best wishes to you and for all people of the world, and a lot of greetings your way. May a lot of greetings come your way.